My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the website Yexcelltoolse.xyz. It's a website that may try to trick its visitors into subscribing to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. The website actually tries to make you click on this special allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. But clicking on allow button is extremely dangerous. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked, you may be redirected to some other malicious content, and because of that, your computer may be infected with other potentially unwanted programs eventually. Also, you will start getting a lot of multiple and pretty intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of the computer screen. So if you have clicked on the allow button, it was definitely a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. Access the menu, go to settings and choose security and privacy, then site settings, go to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious site, Yexcelltoolse.xyz, make sure you remove it from the list. We also recommend that you research your system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.